Hello there. This video contains a detailed and simple explanation on how to make a composite grid using Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional. At the end of this video, we will get a grid similar to the one shown in front of you. So the first thing we want to do is to start a new project and select the first one. After that, we go to axis definition, and from here we start with Cartesian. Number one, we name it as G1 as an example, and starting from 0 and number of repeats, let's make it 4, and distances is 4. Then add. After that, go to y-axis, the same thing, number of repeats 3 and distances 4, and select letters. Okay, then apply. Okay, to turn off the letters and the numbers, just hit this icon here and go to structural axis, and from here uncheck this one, and okay. Okay, now we go again to axis definition and new, and from here we name it as G2, and we start defining. So the first point, the position for x-axis, starts at the end of this one. So the last point here is 16. So start with 16, and number of repeats we want it to be 3, and distances as previous 4. Then add, and for the y-axis we want number of repeats to be 4, and we want to move down, not up, so we make it -4. Then apply. Okay, that's right. Now we want something like this here, like a semicircle here. So we go again to axis definition, and from cylindrical, we hit new, and we name it as G3. Okay, so the starting point is 0, that's correct, and number of repeats we for the radial means the lines that go like a radius, like the circumference of a radius. So we want them to be 1, 2. Let's suppose this is the center of the radius, so we want this one and this one. So the first position is 2. From here up to here is 2. So we select the first one as 0, okay, and the second one is 2, and the third one is 4 plus 2, that is 6. And from the angle, the position we want to start rotating from that angle. So this angle is the right angle is 90, this one, I mean this one, okay, and number of repeats, let's suppose that this is a straight line. So if you want to rotate from here up to here, this is a complete angle of 180. So how many lines we want to divide this 180? For example, we want to divide it into 4 parts. Okay, 180 divided by 4, that is 45. So we write 45 here and add. After that, apply. As you see here, this semicircle is not aligned to the center here. So we go to this point and move it up a distance of 6. Then apply. That's correct. Now the last part is here. We want to link this one up with this one. So go to axis definition, and from cylindrical, click on new and name it as G4. And from the position, we want the position to start from here, so to start from 16. So from y it's 0, it's still 0, and from x we want 16. And we start with the position that is 0. Okay, this is named as 0, and this is the translation. And number of repeats, we want it to be 1, 2, 3. So this is the center of the circle, and this is the number of repeats, that is 3. So we write 3 here, and the distances between them is the spacing between these axes, so it is 4. We add it and we go to angle. The angle here, we want this one, the horizontal one, is 0, so no need to write anything here. Number of repeats, we want this quarter only. This quarter is 90 degrees. So to divide this quarter, we want to make the divisions as, for example, 4. If we make it as 4, and what is the distances between them? We can double click here and divide 90 by 4. We get 22.5. That is okay. After that, name it, change the name and add from here. Okay, then apply. And here you go. We get our final grid. So this is the grid that we were talking about at the beginning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions, comments, or something you want me to explain, just send them to me. Bye.